Welcome to our channel. Today we how to transfer statements and payments. To begin, log into your E-Trade account. Once logged in, navigate to the Bill Pay section of the website. If you are a first-time user, you may need to set up your Bill Pay feature. Click on Add Payee to include the biller you want to pay. Enter the biller's name and address as prompted. Provide your account number for the biller, which is necessary for proper processing. Save the payee details to complete the setup. Next, you'll return to the Bill Pay dashboard. Select the payee you just added from your list. Enter the payment amount you wish to send. Choose the date you would like the payment to be processed. For recurring payments, select the frequency option that suits your needs. Review the payment details to ensure everything is correct. Once confirmed, click on the Submit button to schedule the payment. You will receive a notification confirming your payment has been scheduled. To check the status of your payments, return to the Bill Pay section. Here, you can view your transaction history and upcoming payments. If you need to modify or cancel a payment, select the specific transaction. Follow the prompts to make any necessary changes. Take note of when your payments will be sent to ensure timely bill management. Now, log out of your E-Trade account after completing your transactions. This concludes the step-by-step process for transferring statements and payments using E-Trade Bill Pay. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.